Hey guys, what's up? It's Hunter Custom here. Today I'm going to do a quick overview of setting up lights for my garage that has the Miata in it because unfortunately I need some lighting and it's the middle of winter. It's about 10 degrees outside Fahrenheit. It's cold. I can't get out there, so might as well help myself with other projects in the time being. So I'm going to give you guys a quick overview of my current plan. So starting off with the plan. So the plan is, basically my shop does not have electricity in it, and I don't have a way to run a extension cord out there. So my next best thing is to go off of battery power. So for me personally, I'm going to be using this lithium iron phosphate battery, which is lithium 4. Long story short, if you don't know batteries or the battery chemicals, this is a very common battery used in solar chargers because it's great for storing power. They can be recharged, they can be drained deeply. This one actually even has a BMS system, which is battery management, so it won't let me drain this battery enough to never have it recharge again. Very nice battery too. I actually picked it up off of Facebook Marketplace for $100, which is great. So the plan is here, we're going to run the battery with this cheap little Amazon power inverter. This is a 300 watt power inverter, which should be more than enough for the at most 2 shop lights that I'll be running at once. The only thing that I'm really worried about is the amperage on here. So this says that it can only output 2.6 amps. I have to redo the calculations, but we'll see. So this is actually a power inverter for a car. So coming over here, there used to be a 12 volt adapter here for a cigarette lighter. However, clearly I've cut it off. The idea here is we're going to use one of these, two of these little eye hole adapters. We'll insert this wire, connect it up to the battery, and basically from right there, we'll literally just have 2 110 volt power cords to use with both of the shop lights. So we'll see what we can do. I'm basically just going to go over the process of setting this up. Awesome. So here's the battery. And basically what we have to do is we'll have to casually touch negative to negative, positive to positive, in order to test this out. Now, I won't lie, I did do this earlier, and it sparked at me fairly aggressively. I think that's because there's no, shut-off switch, is my assumption. But not gonna lie, I'm mildly nervous because that shock was intense, and it is a Chinese product, so I'm really banking on the idea that they properly connected everything. So we're going to start with the positive terminal first. And now this is what I'm not happy about. I'm not gonna lie, I am afraid to do this. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but there is high stress because essentially I need to touch this to the battery. It's gonna spark, and I'm stressing. I'm stressing here, my guys. It's gonna be something. I don't know how to do this safely. Give me a minute. I gotta check a YouTube video. Alright, I'm back. Still not certain about this. It looks like for best results, it might spark a few times. Is this magnetic? Even better. Alright, let's see. So I'm gonna flip the switch on the little power supply. So circle means open, which, well, means close, which is on. This line means there's a break, so it's off. I'm going to watch myself be incredibly wrong on that and get, like, electrocuted. Electro boom style. Alright, so we're going to just do this for now. And we are going to have to... The goal is to keep it, like, on the battery terminal so it does not spark. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, boys. Oh. I am stressing right now. Give me a minute. Okay, guys. So it turns out the power inverter itself is just not working. I tried connecting my external power supply to it with no luck. So I think this one's dead. So we're going to return this to Amazon and try and find a different one. And I'll follow up once I get that other one. Okay, so I just want to say I'm totally the reason why this thing died. However, I opened this up and, oh god, this is going to be impossible to see. So, I don't know if you guys can see this, but the solid black cable is the ground cable and the black and white one is the positive. Just so you know, industry standard is typically black and white is negative and solid is positive. So I touched it to the battery in a test, and in that test, since the connectors were backwards, I fried this thing. Still going to return it to Amazon. Fuck big corporations. I will follow up once I get another one. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back with the with the battery and now better connections. So basically I bought another one of these small little Amazon power inverters just because I won't lie, it's cheap. It's about $27 at the end of the day, which is great. But this time, instead of connecting it directly, which I still do want to do, just I'm realizing this will be easier for transportation and everything of the battery itself, because I'll transfer the battery, but probably not the power inverter. And once I'm done with this project, if I ever need a power inverter for my car, I can use it. So I bought this really cool thing. This is a 6-foot length, I believe. No, it's 10 feet. Basically, all it is alligator clips to a cigarette adapter. So I should literally just have to connect. That scared the shit out of me. Dude, I was stressing in those last clips. That was kind of funny. So I should just have to connect it like that. And I'll move this. And if you wonder why I like connecting my connections like this, where it's inwards, it's so I can still use the handles with it. So now I should just... I thought that said socket. It says SCCKE, which I presume is the Chinese brand. So now I should plug it in, and I shouldn't die this time. Alright, part of me was it. Okay, I can hear... I don't know if that can be heard. Hold on. Okay, so that's the fan I hear going, actually. So the fan's spinning in the back. We got a power light on. I can turn it off. Turn it on. Cool, we're not dying. All right, so that basically means we can now use these two 110 outlets inside the garage to get lighting. So next part of this video you're going to see, I'm going to be back in the garage. It's currently about 8 degrees outside, so I won't be back there for a little while. I will probably do this as a 2-part. Hey guys, so unfortunately I forgot the DJI's SD card, so I'm using my phone. So first thing I'm doing is I'm literally just hanging up the shop light with magnets. I have to use a little milk crate to stand on in order to get up this high. But yeah, so we got one here, which if possible I'd like to angle it a little bit more into the engine bay, because unfortunately nothing directly goes over the engine bay. But so now we're just gonna grab the battery here, and this is literally just gonna be a test. I do apologize for the lower quality. So we're gonna just put the battery on the ground there, piss off a whole bunch of generations. And since this is just a test, we're literally just gonna connect that like that. Connect that like so. Now we got the little socket adapter. We'll plug it in. I dropped that. Alright, socket adapter's plugged in. Let's provide power. Okay, we have a green light. We're gonna wrap this cable just around the bike for now, just like so. And let's see if this will reach. I don't think it will. Hold on. Okay, so that's how the light's getting plugged in, so I should just be able... Light works. That's about it, though. Alright. I think that's just a bug. God damn it. Alright, hold on. Alright, so light's back up. It's currently not even. Again, just testing everything. So... set it up, so now all I... God damn it, hold on. Alright, there we go. Got some light in here, so let me close this nasty thing. Okay, alright. It actually does give some fairly good lighting. Let's open the hood of the Miata and see what we can get. What I might do is I might hook up like a system that allows me to pull that more at an angle. So, just as a reminder, the hood will eventually be coming off. God damn, it's cold. Can we close this all the way? Seal it, kind of. It's better. Okay, so this isn't that bad of a setup. I'm literally in the pitch dark right now. And it seems to be bright enough. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not perfect, but it's not bad either. Alright, so I actually ended up hooking up the second light. Just for testing, I left it like this, and I'm actually not horribly annoyed with it. I mean, don't get me wrong, it definitely needs some adjusting. But the actual plan with this second light is to hook it up on that side of the light, this photo side. And basically, I think I can get that one angled correctly into the engine bay. But right now, it's doing good. The lighting in here is really nice, I won't lie. So let me try finishing this setup up, and I'll get back. Okay, so I now have both lights going, and it's significantly brighter in here, which is awesome. And what's cool is if I want, because I will be dropping my rear diff at some point for another project, I do have a way, well, I have ways, but it does definitely look like I'm able to provide sufficient lighting for in here for pulling out the engine. So, I think for now, actually, so for now, we have the lighting and everything. It's December. It's about, I think the high today is 19 degrees Fahrenheit, which is frigidly cold. I think the standard temp is 8 degrees. So I think this is gonna be it for a little while in regards to progress on the actual Miata itself. Once it warms up and everything, I will be back out here. I will be getting this engine out sometime soon, probably in 2025. And, yeah, we'll go from there. Cool. See you guys.